Assalamu alaikum, dear all. I hope you all will be good. Alhamdulillah, I'm also fine. We'll discuss about Oman Air flight schedule to Egypt. As you all know, Oman Air going to start their operation from 1st of October, inshallah khair. And in a week there will be 2 flights to all destinations. All airline will operate only 2 flights in a week. And Oman Air will also operate Cairo. There will be 2 flights. One will be on Saturday and the other will be on Wednesday. The Wednesday flight will return back to next day, while Saturday flight came back to same day. Like on Wednesday, one flight will take off from Muscat to Cairo and it will return on next day, Thursday from Cairo to Muscat. While the Saturday flight will take off from Muscat and the same day it will return back to Muscat. Also for Bangladesh also US Bangla Airline, they has announced their October flight schedule and it will be from 1st October to 24. Oman Air, you can say Muscat International Airport, it will operate only from 1st October to 24, like weekly 2 flights. And later they will decide either they are going to start their operation normal or they will add more flights in a week. So US Bangla Airline also, there will be flights in a weekly 2 flights from Dhaka to Muscat and Muscat to Dhaka. Those both flights will be on Monday and Thursday, and next day it will return back to Muscat. So inshallah khair. Also in addition, I can tell you Oman Air will operate only 12 countries and 18 cities. In Pakistan they have two destinations. One is Lahore and one is Islamabad. In India they have 3, Delhi, Kochi and Mumbai. So also in Africa, Zanzibar and Dar es Salaam, they have 2 weekly flights. And all those people who are coming back to Oman, they should install a Trasud Plus application on their mobile and they should update their data. Also they can register for the test as well, because the corona test will be on the corona PCR test, it will be on Muscat International Airport. So if you will book before, you will not face any query or you will not face any you can say delay. Also for the residents who are already in Oman and they want to do COVID-19 tests and they want to save their time as well, in airport, Muscat Airport, they already make some, you can say, center, some booth sample collection. Just we have to go by car and no need to go out anywhere. Inside car they will take sample and khalas, that's it. But to do that you have to do online registration and online payment, and payment everything will be on Trasud Plus application. Application link and name I can mention down. You can find it on iOS also and on Google also. For Android both devices it's available. So inshallah khair, I was about to say in Urdu mazid khabrein dekhne ke liye. For more news you can visit our channel. Please do subscribe. Stay blessed. Jazakallah. Allah Hafiz.